is December the 9th and we are going to be making gingerbread houses. Well, it's special because we found one that's a train, and Sugarfoot's gonna do the train, and Lucas and I are gonna do the house. So let's look and see what we got going on. So we got Lil Mama, and Luke is kneading his icing. Y'all, he needs some sun, don't he? I'm just playing. But anyway, and
this is your candy.
Yep, and this is our little setup over here, and we're gonna get started. It's not a competition, but it might turn into a competition.
No, it's not.
We'll see. We'll see who does a better job. You're supposed to say, may I have my scissors, please?
I have my scissors.
Let me help you, because you're gonna get hurt. Let me do it.
Yay! Look at the gingerbread man. Look at the Christmas tree.
Alright.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up.
You ain't cut the tip off for ours yet?
No, I was trying to make sure she didn't keep banging her head on the table.
My bad, babe.
That's called priorities.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my goodness!
You're right, babe. You did a good job. Oh, Lord.
Dang.
Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. Knead and massage.
Come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Don't be choking. You okay? Okay, so as far as our house, we got it together, but it was a chore because it kind of collapsed and I fixed it. So now I'm just gonna let Lucas decorate his cookies because where's your gingerbread man? Did you put it in the house? Nope. I can't believe you did that. It's a goner. The house done ate it. But anyway, I'm gonna let him put some candies on there. Are these our candies? Oh, we use these.
So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year.
Is it yummy? That's some ASMR. Is that what they call it?
Careful with this train.
This ain't gonna work.
Careful.
Don't. Never mind, that's your train. It's your Christmas, buddy. Go for it.
You know what, babe? Bailey, you are a good sport.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just
Let's talk to the good people. You want to say, hey, good people?
Hey, good people.
Well, anyway, y'all, I was wondering, is this a part of your Christmas tradition? Do you and your family do this whole gingerbread house? We tried it last year. It was a hot mess. And this year is going a whole lot better. Don't you think, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I had to pick out something easier to do.
Yeah, don't y'all think the train is... So you got a train and you got the caboose. And they got wheels on the side. Is that what you call it for a train? Wheels?
What are you doing with this one, Luki? Ooh,
Logan, you okay?
I'm gonna do one more on the other side. Four on one side, four on the other side.
Oh, baby, baby.
Here you go. Here's one right here. Here you go. And put that one on there.
Logan, hey.
Oh, you knucklehead. Oh, I see what you're doing. We gotta take one of these off.
Sweet, sour, with, sour, and orange is sour.
Good job. Thank you. So pretty.
enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day.
Oh, my bad.
He's about to get them little candies.
I need them for this side of the house.
Hey, Luki, she's gonna put those on the house.
He don't care.
You're dropping them all on the floor.
Okay,
Lucas.
Oh.
Good try, buddy. Good try. Good try.
Oh,
Can't eat none of those.
y'all just... What about the side of my house?
You gotta get them out of the caboose.
No, it's what's in the freezer.
Alright, so here is the train. This is the almost finished product. Sugarfoot wants to put some spokes on his wheels, and I think it looks really good. And I know it is messy, but you know, a mess can be a blessing because we did this together and we had a whole lot of fun. It was a good time. And here's my little house with the windows dripping and the doorknob handle is a whole mess. but it's so cute to me because I did it with love, and I think it looks good. So it's my first gingerbread house. I never done one before, and Lucas did help a little bit, but he disappeared on me after a little while. But yeah, it looks pretty good. You think we did good, babe?
You did good.
I don't want y'all to see how messy my kitchen really is, but yeah, we did. Yeah, it's a hot mess over there. Yeah, he did good. It looks really good. Got the peppermints. Give y'all a little close up here. I think it looks really good. I told him you're gonna put some more icing on your wheels later, but
Gotta dodge it up a little bit.
yeah, but you know, it's hard doing anything creative with kids because they want to take over and it's gonna get messy. But anyway, hold on, let me turn the camera around. I'm trying. I can't pause for the cause. Let me get right with myself.
Pause.
This is vlogmas, because normally I would have edited that part out, but I'm just gonna leave it because that's real life. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it gave you some inspiration to do something as a family. I know it's gonna be a little bit frustrating because, you know, sometimes that's just how it is. But anyway, we had a good time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you just now found me, which is so unfortunate. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Lucas, you want to say bye?
Bye.